Hello, I'm Jamie Cox and I'm going to be doing a relaxation yoga routine. My sources for this are my grandma, who happens to be a yoga teacher, and various yoga videos that my family has. Examples are Biggest Loser, Weight Loss Yoga, Power Yoga, and that's all I have right now. So, what I'm first going to start is some simple stretching. I want you to reach up to the sky and stretch as high as you can, like you're going to go touch the stars. Then I want you to slowly roll your back over and hold that tension point. Hold. Now release. As you release, feel not only your back tension falling away, but all your other tension, your stress and your worries. Imagine them falling out of your fingers and onto the ground, being washed away. Now pull your palms up and put them together on top. Now set them back down. Next, we're going to go into tree pose. Tree pose is a very simple pose. What you're going to do is you're going to take your right leg, you're going to put it on your knee, like so. Then, if you feel comfortable there and balanced, you're going to bring your hands up, together, up top. And if you feel like you can, look up at your hands. This makes balance difficult. Now come down again. This time we're going to do the same thing on the left. So put your left leg on your knee. Go up, together. Now look up if you want to, and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Make sure when you're coming out of these stretches that you're doing so slowly. Next, I want to do what is called cat and cow. I find these very easy and they feel very nice on my back. What you do is you go on your hands and knees. Then you arch your back down as if you were a cow. If you feel the need, you can moo. Moo. Now, arch your back as if you're a black cat you see in all the Halloween pictures. This will bring stress. Now go back to cow. You can feel all the stress melting away. Go back to cat. Feel how tense you are in this position. You can be this tense all the time, but you need to remember to go back into cow and release. Next, we're going to do an ab stretch. This is called the cobra. So what we're going to do is going to lay down flat. Now push yourself up like a cobra. You're going to hold this. You can feel it right here in your abs. I like this one because it helps me release stress. I find it nice and easy. You can do it almost anywhere. Now you're going to go into downward dog. So you're going to lift your feet up into the air and push your heels down to the ground. So we'll put stress on your calves. Now go up, back into cobra, and release. Now, I'm going to describe to you things. We're going to work on our breathing. So I want you to go into corpse pose. Corpse pose is where you lay on the ground in any position you choose and you just relax. Corpse pose seems really easy, but it's actually very hard because to do the position correctly, you must be completely still. Get into corpse pose. Now that you're in corpse pose, I want you to make sure you're in a comfortable position and close your eyes. I want you to focus on your breathing. In, 1, 2, 3. Out, 1, 2, 3. In, 1, 2, 3. Out, 1, 2, 3. Keep that count. Even if you need to have it going in your brain, just keep it. Feel all the stress just melt away. Do you feel it? You feel it melting? Now, I want you to remember to close your eyes. I want you to picture that you're in a beautiful meadow, surrounded by trees. In the clearing, there's an apple tree. It's springtime. Has a bunch of flowers. They're white with pink tips on the edges. You decide to walk over to the tree. You relax under its shade and admire the blossoms. Out of the corner of your eye, you see something. It's a rabbit. Just a cute little bunny rabbit. You watch it for a little bit, eat some grass, and after a little while, just hops away. Imagine your worries are like the bunny. Imagine them hopping away from your mind, just going away. Now open your eyes. You're back where you started. And the question is, are you less stressed? Yes, you are. Take another deep breath and release. Feel that tension melt away. Or hopefully, if I've done my job correctly, you have no tension left.